Hey guys, welcome welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here and I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be all about Miss Makeup Shayla and her collaboration with ColourPop. I bought the entire thing. I know I'm like a month late on this collection. However, I was really deciding on whether or not I needed it or not, but after just seeing so many amazing looks with it, I just decided to go ahead and get it. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 3 different looks that you can achieve with this lovely Perception palette here. I'm going to give you guys my full thoughts and opinions on the collection at the end of the video, but I did want to do like 3 different looks. I've seen this around where people do 3 different looks using one palette, and I kind of just thought that that was a really great idea to give you guys a wide range of what this palette can do and if it's worth your coin or not. So let's just kind of get right into some details about the collection and then we'll go into the look. First and foremost, the collection is, I believe, $54, and I also got the BF3 lip pencil because I think Shayla said that this was the pencil she liked the best with all of the lipsticks, so I got this one as well. This is what it is. This is called the Perception palette. I love the packaging. I think this is so cute and just like super nice, like, because I think this is kind of different. I haven't seen, you know, this type of packaging yet. If it's out there, well, my bad, but you know, I think this is really nice and whatnot. And then it does come with like a nice big mirror. This mirror is good. I used it to do all of the makeup looks you're gonna see in this video. This is a good mirror. And then here are all the shades in the palette. These 4 here are they form like a triangle. They are definitely the matte shades. All the other shades in here are shimmers. However, from what I've seen, I believe the shimmers can act kind of as transition shades, or you know, you can use them other places besides just your crease, as you will see in this tutorial, in all these tutorials that I'm going to be showing you guys. I think this is such a good combination. You kind of have your darker shades, you have a nice pinky one, your lighters, your gold, rose gold. Like, I just think the color scheme for this is perfection. Definitely one of the best collaborations I have seen with an influencer, you know, with a makeup brand. On top of that, this is so affordable, guys. Like, the palette alone is $23. That's a little steep for ColourPop, I must say, but that's why I got the whole collection, because you get 7 items for $54, and I thought that was a better deal than just buying like individual items together. Other items in this collection are gonna be the 2 highlighters, the loose highlighters. This was in the shade Pose, which I'm wearing on my cheeks today, well, right now. And then the other one is called Boomin, and Boomin is a bit of a lighter gold, whereas Pose is a bit darker. Then we have the ultra lip or ultra glossy lip. This one is in the shade Neat Freak. I haven't tried a lot of ColourPop glosses, so I don't know how to compare this one to, but you'll get what I think about these at the end. And then we have the 3 lipsticks, which are called Ooh. Ooh. Looks like this. I'll swatch her for you on the back of my hand. That's Ooh. The next shade is Come On Sis. Which is way pinky. Like that a lot. And then the last shade is going to be Quickie, the one that I'm wearing on my lips. So there you have the 3 lipstick shades that come in this collection. And then I'll just swatch like the gloss as well, just so you guys can see them all side by side. Put it here. The gloss has like gold, reflex, rose gold. It's a mixture of a lot of things, so I think it'll look good on a lot of people. And that's the gloss here. So yeah, those are all of the products that come in it, and I'll swatch the lip liner BF3 here just so you guys can see it. It's this over here. God, I'm not the best swatcher, so you know, whatever, don't take these, you know, for like the end all be all. But yeah, these are all the products that come in the collection. I don't want to ramble on too long because I don't want this video to be too long. Alrighty, so I am finally done filming all 3 looks that I'm going to be showing you guys, or that I showed you guys in the video, and now it's time for my final thoughts and opinions on this entire collection. First and foremost, I absolutely love this palette. I think I love the theme. I love the colors, as I stated before. I love the fact that it comes with a really nice huge mirror. I love the fact that the names are underneath the shadows, because no one has time to be flipping no damn box over to figure out what the shadows are. And it's also cool because she even puts them on the back in case you are one of those people that likes names on the back, or you know, whatever, yours gets dusty or crusty inside and you lose the names. I thought that the shadows performed really well. I do have a few other ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, so I wasn't really worried about the formula or anything like that, but I love these shades. I think that the shimmers are incredible alone. There aren't any of the ones that I tried that I personally sprayed the brush or anything like that. I applied them with a dry brush as is, just to get, you know, the color that is basically presented in the pan. So that was really great. I think the only thing I will say about this palette is that maybe I would have liked one more matte shade, just because I felt like I used these 4 matte shades for like all of the looks that I made. However, I also think that those matte shades were perfect for all the other shimmers in here. So like, I guess it's not like I can't really complain too much about it, but I guess I just wanted like one, you know, matte shade or something. So I think I'm just being like a little bit extra with that request. But yeah, that's really all I have to say about this palette. I'm definitely gonna keep this around. Will definitely be using this on a more everyday basis whenever I do, you know, want to wear makeup. Like, I think that this is a really good palette, especially if you're a beginner. This might be the one for you. This was really good. Now moving on to the highlighters, I've got Boomin here and I've got Pose here. I will say that I like Pose a lot better on my skin tone because it's a bit more bronzy and deeper. I think it looks better. I don't like my highlight to be too poppin', and I'm wearing Boomin right now and it looks good, but I just wish it was a bit toned down. So I definitely like Pose a lot better than Boomin alone. Like, this works alone really well, but if I put Boomin on top of Pose, then it also looks, you know, decently nice. As you'll see in one of my the tutorials, like I did Boomin alone, I did Pose alone, and then I did the 2 of them together, just so you guys could see what they look like on my skin tone. I think if you're lighter than me, Boomin will definitely be the one for you. If you're my shade or darker, then Pose is for us. So, you know, shout out to Shayla and ColourPop for having a shade, you know, kind of to go for kind of everybody. And then we have the lip products here. I really like all 3 of them. I'm not even gonna lie. I really was so scared about these because I thought like, oh my god, they're not gonna work for me, blah blah, but I was wrong, and I love all 3 shades. They are so creamy and buttery. They glide on your lips. Like, I'm not even wearing lip gloss on top of this shade right now, and look how like just nice and just juicy my lips look, to be quite honest. Like, I love this shade. I think I love the formula of these lipsticks. I never tried the ColourPop lipsticks before, and I really like these. These are way better than their ultra matte lippies for sure. So these were a win. I think anybody could rock these, especially if you have like a lip liner. I think they could go for anybody. Love them for sure. And then the lip gloss, where's my lip gloss? Here it is. I really like the lip gloss. I like how it has just like a bunch of different types of reflex of like different sparkly things in there. I think it looks super good. It's such a great lip topper. I definitely wouldn't wear this alone, but I think it's really great to top off any other lip that you're just trying to, you know, give that extra oomph. You know, you want to be like, ooh, exactly, like this would definitely be it for you. So just final thoughts and opinions on this collection. I think it's definitely a really great collection. If you can get your hands on it, I definitely would. Obviously I'm coming with this review so late because this palette has been out or the collection has been out for a while, but you know, it took me a while to get it, to whatever. So if you're still one of those, you know, people lingering like, oh, should I get it, should I not, I definitely think it's worth the splurge, and I was really satisfied with the results that I got from the collection. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Also, let me know if you enjoy this type of like 3 eyeshadow looks for one palette thing, just because I felt like that was a little bit more like, I don't know, inclusive of the palette, instead of just creating one look and then being like, forget the other shades, you know. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.